Hello everyone, welcome back to Python The Basics. I'm your host Jessica, and today we have lesson 3. Now in the last lesson we learnt the basics of variables. Today's lesson I want to do about math operations. So simple maths in Python. So here is the basics of the basic operations in maths. So you've got adding, subtracting, multiplication, division. So adding is just a plus. So print this, the answer would be 18. Subtracting this, the answer would be 6. Multiplication for here, so here you can see that multiplication is what's called an asterisk, which is basically a star. The asterisk is like a fancy name for it. And then for this one, the output would be 72. And then division in Python always returns a decimal, no matter if it's whole number or not. So it would be 2.0. There we go. So when we run this, we'll get 18, 6, 72, and 2.0, like I've said there. So it doesn't matter. For division, it doesn't matter if the equation's gonna give a whole number. Python will still return it as a decimal. Okay, so I think that's the basics of math operations. There's other my mind. My mind. There's other kind of like operations that you can do as well. If you want to do division, whole number, you have to do two of these. It's either, so this will round it up to a whole number. So I believe the output for this one will be just 2. Yeah, correct. So this division, it will round it, so it'll return a whole number. Okay? Then you have this thing called modulus, which is basically a percent sign. And if we take, let's do 12 modulus 6. So that'll return 2. Let's take a look at our results here. Okay, 0. So what the modulus operator does is it divides both 12 and 6, and the modulus will basically return the remainder of it. So let's say we're doing 12 divided by 5. We'll have something for that, so 2. Okay? Because 12 isn't divisible by 5, but the remainder for that is 2. Well, it will divide, it just will have a remainder. So here, but if you did 12 modulus 6, 12 does go into 6 twice, so you'll have no remainder. So 12 modulus 6 will just be 0. I think. Okay, so powers as well. So I'm just gonna indices. You need to do 2 asterisks for this. So let's say we want to do 2 to the power of 6. So 12 to the power of 5, that was 2 we got. Indices, so to powers, so 2 to the power of 6, I believe is either 30, I think it's 32, no, it's 64. So that's 2 to the power of 6. 6, which equals 64. I think that's the basics for now. We'll learn more as we continue. Thank you for watching, and I shall see you in my next video. Ta-ta!